Have you ever wondered how to transfer funds to your EQ Bank account, especially if you're new to online banking? It might seem a bit daunting at first, but fear not. In this video, we'll break down the process step by step, making it a breeze. EQ Bank is a popular digital bank known for its high-interest savings accounts. If you're looking to grow your savings, EQ Bank is a great option. But how do you get your money into your EQ Bank account? Let's dive in. Step 1. Understanding your deposit options. There are primarily two ways to fund your EQ Bank account. Interac e-Transfer. This is a quick and convenient method that involves sending funds directly from your existing bank account. Bill payment. If your bank supports bill payments, you can set up EQ Bank as a payee and transfer funds using this method. Step 2. Interac e-Transfer, a detailed guide. Log into your existing bank's online or mobile banking platform. Find the Transfer Money or Send Money option. Select Interac e-Transfer as the transfer method. Enter EQ Bank's email address. You can find this in your EQ Bank account settings. Input the desired transfer amount. Add a security question and answer. This is for verification purposes. Confirm the transfer. Step 3. Bill payment, a step-by-step approach. Log into your existing bank's online or mobile banking platform. Find the bill payment or pay bills option. Add EQ Bank as a payee. You'll need EQ Bank's account number and routing number, which you can find in your account settings. Enter the desired transfer amount. Confirm the payment. Additional tips and considerations. Processing time. Interac e-Transfers typically process within minutes, while bill payments might take a few days depending on your bank. Transfer limits. Some banks may have daily or monthly transfer limits. Check with your bank for specific restrictions. Fees. While EQ Bank doesn't charge fees for deposits, your existing bank might. Be aware of any potential fees associated with transfers. Security. Always prioritize security when making online transfers. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attempts. Funding your EQ Bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. Whether you choose Interac e-Transfer or bill payment, the process is designed to be user-friendly. By following these guidelines, you'll be well on your way to growing your savings with EQ Bank. Have you tried sending money to your EQ Bank account? Share your experience in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.